Hey my friends, how are you today? My name is Owen Fox and I'm from and living in Ireland, and today I thought I'd make a live video for you all. Usually I do driving because I'm so busy being a full-on family man, so this is my little time to make something. Obviously I'm doing other projects like writing books and audio and video courses as well. But I just thought I'd say hi, and in this video, okay, here's the topic of today, and I hope you're truly really well today. I wanted to ask you that. Today's video is just a quickie, fairly simple one. I'll probably just talk quickly about a few topics. Actually, I might just make a roll on to a few different topics. So the first topic is the difference between, like, what does judgment mean? Like some people say, like, well, some spiritual teachings say, like, don't judge others, like, don't be judging, like, judging is good, or like, have no judgment. And then other people say, but like, that's how I get through life, like, I have to judge if, like, so there's a difference, like, you don't want to. Some people say, like, you have to judge between, like, this relationship, that relationship, this job, that job, this house, that house. So basically speaking, in terms of the spiritual books and all this sort of stuff, what judgment simply only means is, like, casting judgment in a sense of, like, righteous proclamation of who's wrong and who's bad. It's a sense of, like, negative feeling based condemnation, as if you're better than or superior than another person, or even just simply putting them down. So that's what judgment means in spiritual terms. That's totally different than, like, using your intellect or discernment, or just using your mind and being sort of intelligent and having common sense, or your intuition or discernment. You know, that's like a healthy way, and the other way is more like a sense of negativity and ego involved. Whereas using intuition or discernment is positive. It doesn't have to be, or there isn't ego involved necessarily. And it's positive. So yeah, that's that. So I hope that wraps up that anyway. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. I can answer some questions this Happy New Day celebration. Need to get gas for the car. So yeah, I hope you're all doing really well today. Love yous all. Joyful to connect. Beautiful new day. Beautiful new day again, to be alive, to wake up. Just taking a nice conscious breath there. You can all do the same. So yeah, what could be another topic that I could talk about? Judgment, relationships, attachment. Yeah, I guess attachment, another very big spiritual term. So attachments, when it's a bad thing, typically mean, like, not bad as in, like, fundamentally or ethically bad, but when it has sort of, like, you know, unpleasant, like, ramifications or unpleasant effects, you could call it, like, negative effects, is when it's coming from our ego and from our pain or hurt or trauma that hasn't been healed yet. So there's a sense of, like, clinginess, heaviness. It comes from an emotionally heavy place, stuck or dense, heavy energies, and it usually doesn't bring about awesome stuff. Whereas that's, like, for example, attachment to relationships. Like, you totally want that thing. You're not willing to accept or settle for anything less. An example could be, I love that person, I'm attached, that they don't like me, and if they reject me, then I'm going to be broken-hearted and miserable and go into depression. Like, that's a very unhealthy type of attachment, you know. Or same could be with your job. You could be attached to your identity. Like, I am a sports person. I am this profession. I am an athlete. I am good-looking. I am man, woman. But when we get too attached in an unhealthy, egoic, and unhealed way to whatever our identity, our concept of who we are, who we think we are, then it doesn't turn out to be the best, and we can suffer so much, and so can we make other people suffer. Like, if someone rejects us and we're, like, really deep in our trauma and ego and attachment, we could harass or, like, be hurtful to this person who rejects us, you know. Whereas the healthy version of a kind of type of attachment is a healthy bond and connection with your family, your children, your wife, your partner, your husband, your partner, or a friend, or your family member, your mother or father. So that brother or sister, attachment. That's really more like a healthy version of bond, connection, a sense of feeling belonging to or connected to, and that's really, really good. So I leave you and love you. So if anyone needs any relationship coaching or health coaching, family or relationship coaching and healing, or personal healing and awakening, personal spiritual growth, personal expansion, or physical illness and health issues to help me. I do one-to-one coaching, and I also have audiobooks and books coming out and video courses coming out too in the future, the near future, not too far, this year, 2021. But otherwise, yeah, I do one-to-ones, and for anyone who wants any discount at my herb store, I do 10 to 15% off. Just check out the links below, and to befriend me on social media, check out the links below too. And for all of them, just check out the first comment that's pinned or the description of the video. Loads of love. Thanks for watching. Have a most beautiful day, and best warm, pleasant wishes to you all. Loads of love. Thanks for watching. You're awesome, and I'll see you again soon.